Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February 27, 2022. This is Imminent. I want you all to see this right down on the price chart for Upstart that something is about to happen, right? And if you see something that's about to happen, you want to give everyone else advance notice, a heads up as to, hey, be prepared for this, because we may actually see Upstart price go up. Yeah, I'm going to show you all that today on the price chart without the confusion. Join me, hit me up. If today's your first time seeing my video, my content, yes, this is what I do. I do the price prediction without confusing people, without telling them about fundamentals, without listening to earning calls, without being worried about which technical indicator do I need to use on the chart to figure out where price is going to go. No, you just need to pay attention to the volume and price to see where we're trying to go. So hit me up, join the community. Hit that like button. Yeah, hit the like button, share, subscribe to the channel, because this team is growing massively of individuals who want to really tell what price is trying to do. I'm going to show you all that for Upstart. This is my first video ever for this particular market. Yeah, Upstart. It's my first time doing a price prediction for it. And I want you all to see that the market has saw a massive dump. Right? That's the first thing I want to address, is that the value of Upstart all the way from the high of October 2021 all the way down to the low right here on January 24, 2022 is 81%. That's massive, right? You don't want to see that, especially if you were one of the ones who bought the market around $400. You do not want to see your position decrease 81%. You don't want to see that. Now, seeing that that is the case, I want you all to also notice this, all right? I want you all to pay attention that this market in Upstart, okay, for the most part, is still holding a trend, right? You guys can see that this particular stock is still, for the most part, in a upward trend. We just broke away from it. This is what this means. When you see the market break massively, you're breaking away from the overall sentiment of the market. And market has to come back down to a place of realization. Be more realistic to what price should be. Okay. So I want to identify that. We're noticing that the market in Upstart has came and bounced off of a trend. Okay. Now, we're going to continue to hold that, because we know as long as the price in Upstart holds that trend, we're going to maintain elevation and movement higher, right? Now, this doesn't mean that the market is ready to explode higher in price. We created a foundation though, right? I want you all to see that. Now, do you see where the market could get rejected and come back down in price? Do you see that here? Because I got you. Don't worry about it. I'm going to show you what the expectations are into the market in Upstart. So we identify where the buyers are. This area here, this bottom line represents buyers, right? This is where the market wants to come in and buy. This line up here represents the sellers. This is where they're trying to sell. Okay. Keep that in mind, because these are the only two dynamics we will ever get in any market: buyers and sellers. So we need to identify, where are they? Now, basically what we've noticed into the market in Upstart is that the market is trying to go up. Yeah, you can tell by switching over to multiple time frames that this particular stock is trying to continue to go up in price. Starting here, right? This 3-day price bar from January 25th, this 3-day price bar from January 25th, the 20th, and as well as January 28th. Like, we've started to see the buyers appear in the market in Upstart right here. We saw the earnings come out. Sellers came in, but the market still rejected going down. That's it. The chart is the truth. I'm one of the only proponents out here on this space telling you all that the chart is the truth. You got to believe the chart, and don't believe nothing else, because you cannot lie with what you do with your money. You can't lie. You can't act like you're tricking people into thinking you're selling when you're actually buying, because the chart is showing otherwise. It is showing you what the overall market is thinking. Because if the market in Upstart truly was weak on this high volume right here, on this 3-day price bar, if it truly was weak, we would not have seen this last completed 3-day price bar. It's just that simple. So obviously, whoever is in the market in Upstart, it doesn't matter who, they're trying to take this price higher. It's what I'm getting you all to see by looking at a price chart. This is the weekly time frame. Look at this. Like I said, a lot of weakness, a lot of selling occurred on the week of February the 14th. It pulled over into the following week, but we still saw the price close at the high of the bar. If that doesn't tell you that the market is trying to go up, I don't know what is. I mean, you can even look at this on the 2 weeks time frame. That even amidst all of this volume, this market still was able to maintain its price above 120. Yep. So check this out. I'm not here to convince you. I'm just here to show you the information off of the chart. You don't have to pay no expensive amount of software to try to get a heads up as to what the market is going to do. So check this out. Can we see price in Upstart go up? Yeah, I'm gonna predict that. Okay, I'm gonna look for the price in Upstart to go up. Now, we got the direction, right? We got the idea as to where we think the price direction is going to go. Now, the next issue is figuring out how high. All right, we need to try to determine how high will the price go in Upstart before the market tries to come back down. Right now, I like 120 for support, probably around 110. I kind of like 110 as support as well, but I'm going to bring it all the way down here to 100. As long as the price in Upstart holds $100, we're going to anticipate the market move to go up as long as the price stays above 100. Now, the first problem that we can see the selling occur into the market in Upstart is right here around 160. It's about 18%. Yeah. See, I'm one of the people to tell you, you might need to take the bag there at 160, and don't be greedy. Like, I understand you want to hold this stock for the next 100 years, but there's no guarantee that the market is going to even be around in the next 100 years, let alone Upstart. So that would be the first area, 160. Now, if the strength continues, let's say the buyers are able to take out the sellers at 160, then the next area is going to be up here towards 180. It's about 33% move higher, right? And that's about it. I'm not trying to be, massively bullish. No, because I know a lot of analysts on Wall Street, they try to give you some outlandish price targets of $300, or definitely these YouTubers do. They try to give you all these outlandish expectations. I'm not that cat. I don't do that. Right? So let's play the strength here into the market in Upstart. Basically, we've noticed that the market direction has changed, and we want to make sure we are in a position to capitalize on that change. And this is what I'm looking forward to now. Okay, we got 160 as an area of restriction first, which is why I'm going to hold that line, this horizontal line right here, right there. I'm going to hold that there so you guys can see it. But then if we're able to break that to the upside, then yeah, 180 would be next. Done. Simple, easy. This is how you're able to make sure you're in position to win and capitalize into the market. It's your turn though. Try it out yourself. Look at the chart bare, naked. Don't try to add nothing to it. Don't try to read no articles. Don't try to read no tweets. Don't try to listen to no earnings calls. Just look at the price. It's telling you everything you need to know. So let me know. What do you all think? Hit me up, drop me a comment, and tell me. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.